What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have a bunch of tabs open for y'all. Let's go for it. So first up, we're over at Bomgaars. Am I saying that right? Bomgaars. I don't know. But we have this dewalt high torque impact wrench, DCF 900 for $199. The whole kit, $199. Now, I want to bring your attention over to just this tool only at Home Depot, $299 for the tool only. Come back over here, $199 for the whole kit. So there you go with that. So moving on, we have over at Lowe's for their exclusive deal of the day. We have this Sunday bear repair. I don't recommend doing the Sunday subscription, but I would go buy this stuff only because the subscription gets away from you. Like, you forget about it and you got to buy it up for a year. So you can't just get like your first shipment and then be like, oh, I want to cancel it. Well, you already bought it up for the year. So I prefer to just go to the store and buy stuff. You can find stuff at Walmart and here at Lowe's. It works. It works pretty well. It works darn good, actually. So yeah, so that's that. I just want to say that that's $28.57. This comes with everything you need. Obviously, you're going to need a hose. You attach this to your hose and go for it. I don't know what this is, like how this is applied. But anyway, there you go. $28. I'm actually considering getting this myself. Moving on, we have some more exercise equipment. You have this cage for $297.99. If you work out, you know that cages are more expensive than this. Okay, yeah, this supports 800 pounds, 500 pounds on the rack, and 300 pounds chin up bars. Yeah, you could be a big boy and still, yeah, this is going to be good. $297.99, great deal. Paid way more for mine. All right, so over at Home Depot, somebody in the Facebook group asked if this was a good deal. For $199, you get the starter kit with the 2 batteries and this surge impact. Just keep in mind, this surge impact is made for being kind of like smooth. It's a hydraulic impact driver, so it was created to kind of dampen and make the shocks to your wrist and your hand a lot less extreme. For me, what I experience is when this gets taxed too much, it actually makes and creates more vibration than the regular impact driver. The regular impact driver is way more powerful than this, so when it gets in a taxing situation, it doesn't matter. It just drives the thing, so you experience less vibration. But if you're just doing like little small things, like you a HVAC technician or something like that, this will just be fine, and it'll be pretty smooth. A lot of people like it. And if you hacked it, it would be $91.39. So if you want to get the whole thing, I mean, that's up to you. I mean, it's not bad because this alone normally is like $159, yeah, $169. So obviously for extra $30, pay to get 2 batteries and the charger. But if you could find this with a high output battery, that would be better in my opinion, because this little CP battery is going to be nothing to this. This battery is going to give it some extra juice, but that high output is going to give it more juice there. Moving on over to Greenworks. Keep in mind, I've told you guys before, Greenworks customer service is weird. Like, I don't personally like it, but a deal's a deal. All right, so you get this. You have this blower, this trimmer. It's a 13-inch trimmer too, and a blower does 390 CFM. And, that's not bad. It's not excellent, but it's not bad. And you get a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger for, it says $212, but once you add the cart and use this promo code, which I will show you here, it becomes $148.75, that's a really good deal. That's a really good deal. Plus, you have Rakuten over here that'll give you 2.5% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, in addition to the 2.5% cash back, if you use the link in the description to sign up, you'll get $30 cash back on top of that. So $30 plus 2.5% plus, it's 20% off. I don't know, some crazy promotions right here. Exclusive DOTW, deal of the week. Exclusive deal of the week. Put that in there, and they give you a big discount. And we also have this lawnmower. This lawnmower bundle, 48 volt, 21-inch cordless battery self-propelled lawnmower with 4 4-amp-hour What do they mean, USB batteries? I don't know what that means exactly. I guess you could plug something into them and charge some other stuff. That's cool. But you have that with two two dual port chargers. So two dual chargers. That's insane right there. So this is not 517. We go back to the car. This whole thing comes out to be 362.24. That's cheap. That's cheap if it works. Now, you see the Slick Deal thing up here? I like to go to Slick Deals to read comments on things I've never firsthand experienced. And a lot of people are saying it's good. You know, they haven't had any problems with it. But again, I'm not blowing smoke. Listen to this. Greenworks customer service and warranty sucks. I had an 80-volt snowblower, worked for 10 minutes, then spent a year and a half, not joking, in a repair shop waiting for parts. This is pre-COVID. Terrible, terrible. I have an 80-volt battery that won't work now. 3 years old, so I'm SOL. Stay away, buyer beware. And I've had a similar experience just with them trying to get me to advertise their tools, even though I'm kind of doing it now for free. But hey, again, the deal's a deal. But they were very inconsistent. Their customer service just sucked, even with me. So imagine how it will be for you trying to get some warranty repair. They actually want me to, market for them, and they can't even respond to emails. Good Lord. I couldn't imagine having a problem with your tool. So, yeah, there you have it, though. If you want to roll the dice, it's the same deal on this. I don't know why the Slick Deals thing isn't popping up, but if you were to go to Slick Deals, and you sign up for Slick Deals, too. You can sign up with them for free in the description. I don't cost you anything, but you have access to other people's experiences, which is invaluable. That is truly priceless. People were saying that they were very pleased with this. They had no complaints. I saw no one complain about this kit right here, other than some that had warranty issues and they didn't get, fixed fast at all. So anyway, moving on over to Amazon, we have this Gorilla Cart, this little wagon with an 800-pound capacity. Now, I'm not logged in, but if you were to log in, for me, it offers an additional 20% off this. So the 104 was already a good deal, but it's also an additional 20% off. So it's like $83. That's a really, really good deal on this wagon right here. Then it's versatile in the sense that it become a flatbed too, which I didn't even see that until just now. So I kind of like that. That's a little tempting for me because I could use another wagon, but I ain't. Storing these things is a thing in itself. I already have two of them. All right, so moving on. I was going to show y'all this used to be at Harbor Freight. This is what I have two of. I got one for my son and one for my daughter. Now, this was at Harbor Freight. When I bought it, it was like $39. And this is decent. It really is. 330 pounds capacity. But I can't find that Harbor Freight anymore. If you can somehow find it on there, knock yourself out and check it out. It might be maybe $49 now. Last time I saw it was over $49, but that was after the holiday season. Maybe it only comes around for the holiday season. I don't know. But right now, this deal is the best thing smoking at $89. And this is $84. Don't buy this over the other one, obviously. And then you also have this fold-away wagon cart, which, again, storage is a deal with these things, like I said before. So this is quite cool. Only holds 150 pounds, but, this is great for, like, grocery shopping and stuff like that, especially $77. These are normally, like, $139. I've seen them for $139 generally. And there you go. You have your different colors and all that good stuff. All right, before I move on to all the other great deals from the Facebook group, I just want to ask if you get any value from this video, that you please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any deals in the future. Thank you very much. So going on over to the Facebook group, y'all have been finding some heat for real. All right, so Jason found this telescoping plank from Lowe's for $149. So Home Depot actually has a Gorilla one on sale for $99 for as a special buy of the week. And then here we go. This is exactly what we're looking at. So, well, not exactly. The other one goes from 8 to 13 feet. This goes to 10 to 17 feet. You see it's $388. So, yeah, this thing is pretty expensive. And it's over at Lowe's, $149. Thank you, Jason. Moving on, Bradley found a few things, too, over at Lowe's, I believe. So, you have this rechargeable light bar. $7.47. $7.47. Some other little things over here. The carpenter pencils, $1. And then you had this, this nailer, 171 marked down for 419. This pass load, and that was that. Thank you, Bradley. And then Zach had this going on at his lows. I searched high and low. I'll give y'all the BrickSeek link. I couldn't find it. I searched all on BrickSeek, and they didn't. Everything showed up nothing. It was one store in DC that had this for $199. This angle grinder kits, $99, man. They still out there apparently. From going from June 9th to September 6th, 6/9 to 9/6. What man did this? He could have said June 8th to September 8th, but nope, 6/9/96. All right. Gotta get your giggles in where you gotta get them. All right, so $99 here for this whole kit. I wish, y'all know I don't like Flex, but I wish I could find this for $99. When I drove halfway across country, I stopped at every Lowe's I saw to see if this thing was in there, and I could not find it. So congratulations to y'all that got it, because I was trying to go out of my way for real to get this. Now, I don't like like I said, I don't like Flex, and I don't really like Lowe's, but they'd have got my money if I saw it. Then also there was this Lincoln welder for $449, marked down from $8.99. Lincoln makes pretty darn good welders. And then we're gonna move on. I would never buy this. I mean, a lot of y'all love it, so it's just not my thing. But you do have this DeWalt light Chris found for $83, but then somebody else found it for $79 in their store. So this just goes to show again, just go to your stores and check this stuff out. I can't find any of this stuff on BrickSeek, so I ain't even gonna bother leaving a link. I was going to for the Flex thing, but I just said, I mean, clearly the BrickSeek is not working for Lowe's. Now, also Tim posted this picture of these sawhorses. So it's a 2-pack for $21. This is his before picture and after. Run out there and see if there's any left. Probably not, but go ahead and check it out. Then lastly, Jason posted these ladders, these 4-foot ladders for $11.17. Every home needs a 4-foot ladder. Like, everybody needs one that you can keep in a closet or something to just do little stuff around the house. $11 right there. Very good buy. That is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time. Buy some merch.